Okay, I am giving this a try. These are the Kingston Craft spinners. I believe they're the same as the ones I got on Temu, but anyway. So they provided which is so nice, a 1/4 inch punch die, and all the steps to do this, and it's super easy. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to cut out. I did it on one, and it was a lightweight paper. You kind of want something kind of stiff, so I just took some backing from stickers, and I'm going to put this on here. So let's do that together. I am home today because it is rainy and cold outside, and I don't want to be out there. So that is what I'm doing. Oh, I should have. Hang on, sorry. Stuff falling all over the place. This may not be the best thing because it's shiny. Maybe it won't work. Oh, and I got new glue. Okay, come on. You know what? I'm going to do it on this side. It's not shiny. There we go. I did one and then changed my mind about how I was doing it, so I cannot get the spinner apart. So just FYI, be sure you're doing what you want to do. Anyway. Okay, put this on here. This is just some Bo Bunny paper that I found in my stash. My massive stash. Good lordy. I got some comments on my Temu haul. I think 1 or 2 of them are at a funny angle. Sorry about that, but I accidentally threw them. I'm going to trim this up a bit. Deleted my videos, and then when I retrieved them on my Google or photos, I couldn't change the angle, and I didn't want to redo them, so there's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, so I got that. The glue I've been using the last few days is the Zig. It's working good. Got it on Amazon. All right, so now I got to figure out where I want to place my hole, and you just cut it out once. I guess they gave me 2 in case I lose it, which is probably true. I will lose it, so I'll be right back after I cut that out. Okay, so I cut out the hole. Nothing to write home about there, but you get these 2 parts. And this part they call part A. That goes on the bottom, the other side, like that. And then you get part B, which is the bigger one. And it snaps on here. And that's the part that wiggles. Okay. See? Or spins, not wiggle. It's a spinner. All right, so, and it comes with this cute stamp, this set does. You're on a roll, so I'll probably add that later. But I'm just on here to show you how to make the spinner work. And it's super easy, but it adds, it adds weight or depth, so it's sticking out. So mailing will be a challenge. Okay, so I thought I would take one of my Jolie, because you're on a roll, that donut would work. And I think I'm going to use, because this paper has brown and blue in it. Now, if I were to stick this down like that, it doesn't work because it's got the hole in it. So I'm going to take a piece of something, because I'm not ready as usual. Here we go. I'm just going to put this on here and then cut around. Super easy. So yeah, it's Saturday, and like I said, I'm home. It's pouring down rain, icky caca day, so I'm at home this time. I don't like to be out at my park in the wind and stuff because it's kind of scary. I've got this one tree that's got this purple tape on it that scares me. Okay, so now I'm going to just use glue. Oh my gosh, everything's falling apart here. A glue dot. I probably should just put it right on the thing itself, but I'm going to put it here. And it's sticking to my finger, of course. God. Swear to God. Okay. And there it spins. Isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. And so easy. If I can, I mean, it's just, if you can put snaps together, you can do this. So, all right. I just wanted to share how that works. I got a request and I thought I better do it now while I'm thinking about it. All right, you guys, take care. Bye-bye. All right. I'm going to share my, where is it? I ended up finishing it. It's a card front. I haven't put it. So here's the donut with the spinner. Look at that. I mean, it really spins. Perfect for grandkids. I stamped out "You're on a Roll," and I used this. This is in my stash from Temu. So it cut out this on the inside, so I did that. I cut out on white, so I put the "You're on a Roll" there, and then the outer. It's pretty busy, I don't know, but it's done. And then this is the Bo Bunny. Bear Bo Bunny. This is from back in Tuesday morning. I've had this forever, but I love teal and brown, so that worked out good. I thought it, and I put another donut here to kind of offset that. Then this is ribbon that I had in my stash, and the reason this big thing, see that little piece of muslin? I love it. It adds a soft effect, and I have enough. I don't know where I got this. I think I got it, I don't know, on clearance at Hobby Lobby maybe. So yeah, I just cut a piece up and then it's just hanging near my spot here where I craft. So there's that. I took some cardstock and backed it in brown. And then this is, I think these hearts came from Dollar Tree, not sure. I colored it with, changed its color with this Distress Oxide. But holy moly, it only has one hole, so that's a challenge. And this moves too. Anyway, so I just made a bow. I love this. I'm on that school for SKOOL for My Creative Time, and they were talking about their favorite twine. I think it was Emma, the owner of My Creative Time, that she really liked this. So decorative trim, just a natural twine. It's nice and thin, which is nice. But I put a glue dot down there. Oh my gosh. So hopefully that, I just made a bow and I tried to do a knot in the, oh my gosh, it wasn't pretty. So there you go. I think it turned out pretty good actually. So there's another Jolie's. Let me know what you think. But yeah, these are super easy to use. I might put something, I don't know that I like the one, I don't know. But yeah. Fun, and more fun. All right, you guys. But this came from Kingston Crafts, but I've gotten them on Temu as well. If you watch my videos, you'll see that. And I'm assuming they work just the same. All right, you guys. Take care, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.